Happy Friday. It is payday news time. I am focusing on making money and strategies and ideas and things that you might have forgotten about or need to be reminded about. So I am back looking again at my Strengths Finder book and it really any kind of an assessment tool that helps you know where your strengths are, where your natural talents lie, and being able to invest your time and your energy developing your natural talents in those ways of making money. And the one that I want to talk about today is a restorative talent, I will say, or a strength, and an ability to renovate something or rehabilitate something or restore it back to the benefit that it had or the beauty that it had, the use that it used to have. Okay? And I'm bringing this up because I'm noticing around here a lot of broken down cars on the streets. And I'm just fascinated by this idea. I believe that it is, again, a struggles-based situation to hold on to materials and to hold on to things even if they're not really working to your best advantage. So we tend to put things aside and just let them sit there. But then over time they break down and you lose any sort of value that they had. Okay, I just was talking with somebody and they had a food truck. They said they had a truck, so we went to look at it. Sure enough, it was under a tarp. The tarp itself was so deteriorated and disintegrated, much less the food truck that was, or the trailer that was underneath it, all rusted, flat tire. I don't know how they could get that back. Yes, of course we can get it back, but why let it go that far, okay? So payday news today, as we're looking for ways to make money. Look in your garage, look in your closets, go look in your kitchen cabinets. There's tools and materials around that are sitting there that are not getting used. And either you could sell them, put them on the marketplace and sell them for just straight up cash, have like a mini yard sale kind of thing, or start using them and being productive with them as ways of making money, like that food truck. So just looking around to recycle and restore things, collecting materials off of the streets to help clean it up, cleaning things out of your house so that you have a sense of peace and you have a sense of calm in your home. Because in that way you're able to bring in new good things and you're not holding on to a lot of heartache and a lot of struggle. So I know that it's difficult in that scarcity idea that when you are struggling, things are tight, yes, you do have to hold on. But other times you just got to kind of let it go and just be like, this doesn't bring me value, it doesn't bring me joy. And why am I sitting here holding on to it? It's just kind of cluttering things up. So there's my point today of looking to improve things that you already have, things in your hands. Okay? And part two, let me get to the point of this, is to believe in ourselves and to restore ourselves. And if you've taken a hit and you've struggled a little bit, whether it's personal relationships or health setbacks or financial struggles, housing struggles, whatever those are. I know it's difficult. I know that's hard and you're a tough fighter to get through it. But you have to kind of stop and go, okay, I am a champion. I have gotten to this point. I have resources I know I can tap into. I know there's community support, there's friend support, there's things out on the internet that we can help and connect. We have to learn how to connect. So that's that piece of the synergy and the networking and getting outside of just ourselves. So yes, improve ourselves. Yes, improve the place around us and the things that we already have. And yes, let's all work together and help each other, because then we all are better. We all get along better. I don't want to do it on the backs of somebody else. That's the old way. That's done. That's done. Let's move to a community. Let's move to helping each other out. Okay? So find your strengths, discover where your talents lie. Everybody has talents. Everybody has them. Where's your talent? Develop it, use it, look around, share it. That's how we're gonna make this. This is how we all get paid, okay? We're all getting paid. Joy West Press, subscribe, follow along. My crazy life here in San Juan. Okay, I see so many signs of things getting cleaned up around here, and I've been working this week with the Mejora Tu Vida Club that I'm working on developing, and some fun business partners here in Villa Palmeras, and working to paint and improve their building, trying to get the architecture and get the magic of the painting into helping the community in the development. So I've been over there this week painting every day, and some pictures to show you and some progress happening because people are already smiling and waving, and I can already tell that my mission of bringing art and community development together is really fun to work on, and that's my economic forecast. So come on over. I'm on Avenida Monroy in Villa Palmeras off the Balderiti, and I'm still trying to figure out how to say that name. So come on over, see what's happening. Mejora Tu Vida Club, getting started over on Kickstarter, getting started all over the place, and it's in Spanish, which is the other crazy fun part. So I'm looking for tech partners. I'm looking for people here that are in Puerto Rico that are maybe struggling, want a little bit of energy, a little bit of creativity. I love to solve problems. That's my strength, that's my talent, and I'm trying to bring it to people here on a Payday News. So again, subscribe, follow along, check it out. Mejora Tu Vida Club is here in San Juan and actually expanding to La Kilo. So I'm doing that tomorrow, this weekend. I'm so excited. Take care. Payday News. You got this. Let's crank it up, okay? Bye. Standing here this morning getting ready to paint this up. Changed up. I got an inspiration sent to me from Paris that includes polka dots. So I'm really getting excited about this. The street's all clean. It's still quiet this morning before it gets crazy. Another beautiful day. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Okay. Let me take a minute here. I'm so excited to be doing this. I have to stop and take video. So, I'm getting rid of the black, the dark, the dismal. Well, I thought the place was closed. People told me they thought the place was closed. Going lighter and brighter. About to lay in the green. And then I think the orange. And then some yellow. And then some more purple. Very excited. This is gonna be fun. Okay.